Today we are going to learn how to use calculator in Tally Prime in a different way. Or we can use natural language and there we can type commands and we can there from there only we can see many things to learn today. So first we will open a Tally Prime here. We'll open in Word and Word. All are basically learned or know how to use calculator in Tally Prime. By pressing Ctrl N, we'll move to calculator option. From there, we can do basic arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, division. We can do interest calculations. We can do unit price calculations. We can do GST calculations. We can do GST only. If you wanted to only GST, how to do it, we can do it here. What we are using for the 18%, for 12% we have to use 112, for 128% we have to use 128. Multiple operations also we can do like this. All are knowing much more about this. Now what we'll do, we'll see more options from here. We'll go to company, click on create, Dharwad company will create give address. Why we are giving address, we'll get to know. Will created successfully one company. Okay, now if you press Ctrl N, then we'll get calculator window. If you again press it, then it will come to main window. For those who are not knowing calculations, we can use it and try it. Now what we will do, we'll go to vouchers here and we'll create, this is not payment, this will come to receipt, account here, press spacebar and create one ledger, create here, create Satish SG, he is the owner, so what we are going to select it as a capital account. This is a cash account. Press 10,000, 1 lakh rupee. Then we'll make a purchase one. Sales bill is 101. Party name, we have to select it, click on create, or we can press Alt C to create. Goel is a sundry creditor. We'll create purchase ledger here. Click on create purchase account. This comes under the purchase accounts. Then we have to select the item. Click on create here. Keyboard. Here primary group is, we'll create one IT materials. Then click units. Click on create. Type numbers. Press S. Then type quantity 200. Price 400. If you press Ctrl N here, then it will come down into the calculate window. Now what I will type here, type Goel. What it will show, the total amount of the outstanding balance of the Goel ledger or Goel creditor. Then ledger, if you type Goel address, then it will display the Goel ledger address. Name, Goel GSTN it's okay, we'll do it. Then what we'll do, if you type creditors, means it will display creditors total balance, outstanding balance. If you type debitors, means we are not created a debitors. Now I will create now. Click on vouchers, then click on sales, then click on create. Here I will sundry creditors, debitors. Then we'll create one more ledger, that is sales account. It comes under the sales account. Then I will select a keyboard here, quantity 50, 1000 rupees. Then I will go to Ctrl N here, debitors. It will show the debitors total amount. Stock, it will show the total stock in amount. Stock keyboard, it will show the number of keyboard in the stock. Like that we can use the commands in calculator window. If you type stock, it will show the stock total amount. If you type stock items also it will show stock. Mouse means stock particular item. If you type, it will show the total number of items in the balance. If you can type bill and bill number, it will show the total amount of the bill. For next bill number you have to type it. Payment, payable, it will show the total amount of the payable amount. Sales, it will show the total sales. Purchase, it will show the total purchase. Payables, it will show the total payable amount. Bills, payables. Bills, receivables. Like that you have to type to view the particular bills receivable, bills payable, bills payable, Goel. If you type it, it will show the how much amount you have to pay to this particular account. Like that we can use it for as a natural language. Now we'll try one more thing. Go to vouchers, then we'll select contra voucher, account here, ledger, SBI bank accounts. Here account number is 000 IFSC FFF. Press Ctrl N, bank, SBI. If you, what is the ledger we have created here? SBI bank. Ctrl enter, bank, SBI bank. No, it is not coming. SBI bank, SBI bank. Okay, thank you one and all. We'll see in next class. Thank you one and all.